Your life-saving injectables need a processing line that is as reliable as your products. Introducing Snowbell Ampoule Filling and Sealing Machine, a complete integrated line for your Ampoule liquid filling and sealing process. Ampoules are fed from the infeed via a mesh belt conveyor to the feed screw. The ampoules are fed into the infeed conveyor of the vertical rotary ampoule washing machine. The ampoules are lifted by grippers and inverted by 180 degrees. Then they are cleaned internally and externally with a 6-stage process, which includes recirculated water, purified water, water for injection, and compressed air. Ampoules are fed by means of an outfeed to the sterilization and depyrogenation tunnel, which includes 3 different zones: dry zone, hot zone, and cool zone. Drying zone. The ampoules are dried to remove the residual water left inside the ampoules. Heating zone. The ampoules are sterilized and depyrogenated by heating them to a temperature greater than 300 degrees Celsius. Cooling zone. This is where the temperature of ampoules are brought down to the ambient temperature. Ampoules are fed from the infeed via a mesh belt conveyor to the feed screw of the filling and sealing machine. The ampoule filling and sealing machine works under ORABs. The filling is done by means of a reciprocating pump. Stations are provided for nitrogen purging before and after the filling process. The filling needles are lowered into properly positioned ampoules. At a given time, filled ampoules are carried by the feed rack towards the sealing station. The sealing station comprises burners for the preheating of the ampoule tip and further burners for sealing. A mixture of oxygen and LPG is ignited to provide the flames for sealing. Ampoules are rotated at the station while performing the sealing operation by means of separate drive units. A clipper system is provided to pull off the ampoule tips when the ampoules reaches the melting temperature. A heat extraction unit is provided to exhaust the heat from the process zone. The ampoule sealing station is equipped with a mobile collection bin for the collection of ampoule tips. Ampoules are discharged with the help of a pusher arrangement connected from the main shaft into the magazine that is connected to the outfeed tray.